So the Euros 2024 have now started. You're just wondering what's the easiest, fastest and safest way to watch all of the games 100% free, really wherever you are in the world. Well, there's a couple of options. Firstly, we have official streaming applications. And as you can see on the screen, depending on your country or location, certain channels, certain applications have got the official broadcasting rights to stream all of these games. So, for example, I'm in the UK. So for me, I can use the two applications, ITVX and also the BBC iPlayer. For example, if you're based in Switzerland, you can use the RSI website or app. If you're based in France, you can watch the TF1 channel or use an application if it's supported. That's the first method. The second way is to use different streaming websites, and fortunately most of these official streaming applications like the BBC iPlayer, like the ITV Hub, both have official websites. So really you can just open up a browser, navigate to both those pages, and you can watch all of these games absolutely free. Now I've actually got links to all of these websites as you can see here. So here's the BBC iPlayer link, here's the ITV Hub link. Now, if you want to get the two applications which I'm using, which are the BBC iPlayer and also ITVX, I've also got links for both these applications where you can directly install on any device. Now, all of this information I've created in a new page on my website, and I will leave a link to that website page directly under this video and also in the pinned comment. Now, for the UK applications, they will require you to have a UK IP address. So if you're not based in the UK, you can just use a VPN to change your virtual location and get yourself a UK IP address. And you can also click on this link here to get a discount code for the VPN that I'm currently using. And similarly, if you want to use another application in another region, as you can see up here, for example, if I want to use the Spanish application, I'll just use my VPN to set the location to Spain. I can then go ahead and use this website or application. And I also have a list of all the official supported channels and applications all over the world. If you keep scrolling down, you can now see, depending on your location, you can use all of these official links here. So if you're based in Monaco, you can use M6 or TF1 France. If you're based in Sweden, you can use SVT or TV4 Sweden. And do leave me a comment below and let me know which country you are supporting for this competition. Now, if I just jump over to my Amazon device, to my Fire TV, we can see on my device I have both ITVX and also BBC iPlayer. And again, if you can't get these applications on your device, you can use the two links that I've supplied on my website page and download them directly to your device. But we can see I can open up one of these applications right now. I believe France are playing right now. And we can straight away, I can click on watch live, and in a few seconds, I'll be streaming. Now, the third and final option is to use third-party websites, third-party unofficial applications to watch all of these games. And of course, I can't mention them in this video, but again, on my website page, I will leave a couple of links for different websites or services you can use to again watch all of these games 100% free. So that's pretty much this video, guys. Many thanks for watching. Do leave me that comment below and let me know your predictions of the Euros 2024 and which country you're supporting, and I'll also leave a link to that special discount code if you are after a VPN. So really appreciate your support. Do like and share this video, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.